Remy the Raccoon's Nighttime Adventure. Hi, my name is Remy, and I am a curious little raccoon. I have soft gray and black fur, and my most special feature is the black mask around my eyes. It makes me look like a friendly bandit. My favorite place to live is near trees and water, like a cozy forest or even a park close to people's houses. We are very good at living in many different places. During the day, I like to sleep in a warm, dry spot. Sometimes it's a hole in a big, tall tree, and sometimes it's a den under a rock or brush pile. We call this my den. I am an omnivore, which means I eat many different kinds of food. I love juicy berries, crunchy nuts, tasty insects, and sometimes I even catch a little frog by the water. My human friends often see me doing something funny. I like to dip my food in water before eating it. This helps me feel my food better, and it's a very special raccoon habit. I start as a tiny baby called a kit, drinking milk from my mother. I grow bigger and learn how to find my own food. When I am 1 year old, I am a grown-up raccoon. I live with my mother and my brothers and sisters. We are called a litter. Our mother teaches us everything we need to know, like how to climb high and where the best berries are. The babies, or kits, are born in the spring. They are very small and can't see or hear at first. They snuggle close to their mom and grow quickly, becoming playful and curious little explorers. As a raccoon, I have an important job. When I eat fruits and nuts, I help scatter the seeds so new trees and plants can grow. I am a helpful part of nature's big team. Some animals help the forest regenerate or grow back. Since I help spread seeds, I am helping the forest to stay green and full of life, which is a big word for a very helpful action. Raccoons are very smart. We have excellent memories. We can remember where a good meal was for a very long time, and we can figure out how to open tricky little latches. Did you know my front paws are very special? They are almost like tiny little hands. This is why I am so good at climbing, grasping things, and opening small containers. I am mostly nocturnal. This means I sleep during the day when the sun is out, and I wake up at night to play, hunt, and look for yummy treats while the moon is shining. My black mask and bushy, ringed tail make me special, but my curiosity and cleverness are what I love most. I am always exploring and learning new things. I am a natural treasure of the forest, helping the environment and always having fun. Maybe you will spot a cousin of mine one night, carefully using their clever paws. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.